will taste this video.
These are Lay's 2017 Do Us a Flavor Chippies. And Chayton's going to have to try to guess which flavor is which.
Tell them what those is. So those bagel, taco, and
Fried green tomato. Which one are you going to do first?
I'm just going to guess.
You got to taste it and then guess.
I'm going to guess which one to do first.
Oh.
Wonder which one this is.
Did a buggy go in that one?
And
I can't see your face. You're in the shadow.
fried green tomato.
Nope. That one's everything bagel. Where are you going? Don't you spit it out.
It actually tastes good.
Oh, good.
That's good.
That buggy's gone. You can come back.
The ant's still in this one.
Okay, ready?
The ant is still in this one.
Well, get him
I
out.
can't eat that one.
Bring me the bowl.
If he's still in there, I can't eat any.
Really? Where is it, Chay? He's gone.
He just went in there and he disappeared.
He turned into a chip. There's no ant. He's gone.
You got lucky, ant.
Uh-oh. There we go. Sit down.
I'm going to finish this chip cookie.
It's that good? I wonder if that's going to be your favorite out of the whole bunch.
You try it. You like bagels?
No. I do like bagels, though.
She came from Connecticut. I'm going to have to have another one.
No. Not yet. You can have it after you finish guessing. What's on that one? Is that like orangey color?
Kinda. Look.
Oh,
It's kind of
yeah.
orange. It's kind of yellow.
Yeah, it is.
Just put it in the sun.
It's got like specks on it.
Yeah, and look at the back. It's stayed.
Yum. So the first one was kettle cooked. That is their classic style. Don't spit it out. Chayton. Can you guess the flavor? That's the one you thought you would like the best.
Taco?
Yep. Put it. All right. Go on. Okay, next.
Blech. Disgusting. Taco doesn't sound good. Well, taco sounds good. Doesn't taste good. I wonder if you guys like that face. I just tasted it, putting my tongue on it.
Oh yeah?
Well, get out of here, fly. Well, apparently, that's the
Fried
fried
green.
green tomato.
Yep, fried green tomato.
Don't taste that good, but I will eat it.
Does the wavy style help it?
I don't think so.
You don't like it? So, everything bagel is the winner.
Yep, bagel is better.
All right. Want to go feed them to Daddy and your brother?
Let's see how they like it.
All right. Bye, Chayton.